Can a damaged magnetic clutch compressor affect idle air control valve? Yes, a damaged magnetic clutch on the air conditioning compressor can indirectly affect the idle air control (IAC) valve, primarily through electrical and/or mechanical issues. Here's a breakdown. Indirect electrical issues. AC compressor clutch malfunctions. A faulty magnetic clutch, whether due to a slipping clutch, a broken coil, or other issues, can cause a compressor to either not engage or to engage erratically. Electrical overload. A failing compressor clutch can sometimes lead to electrical issues, potentially overloading the system and impacting other components, including those related to engine management, like the IAC valve. Interference with sensors. If the electrical system is compromised, it can interfere with the engine sensors, potentially causing the engine to idle erratically or stall, which are also symptoms of a bad IAC valve. Indirect mechanical issues. Increased load on the engine. A faulty compressor clutch can create additional load on the engine, especially if it's slipping or constantly engaging, potentially leading to rough idling. Serpentine belt issues. A damaged clutch can lead to serpentine belt problems, and since the serpentine belt powers various engine components, including the alternator, issues could indirectly affect the IAC valve. Symptoms of a bad IAC valve. Rough or unsteady idle. The engine idles roughly or stalls, especially when the air conditioning is turned on. Stalling. The engine stalls or shuts off when coming to a stop or idling. Hard starting. It may be difficult to start the engine, particularly in cold weather. Bad idle air control valve symptoms, causes, and solutions. In summary, while a damaged magnetic clutch doesn't directly control the IAC valve, it can indirectly cause issues that mimic the symptoms of a bad IAC valve due to electrical or mechanical problems within the AC system. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's recommended to have your AC system and IAC valve inspected by a qualified mechanic.